Hi and welcome to this video on cleaning off gunk and residue on your pedals with isopropanol. Warning: some solvents such as isopropanol may harm or discolor the finish on your pedals and equipment, so use with caution. Test on a small surface before use. I bought a second-hand MXR Octave Fuzz that had old sticky residue on the top part of the pedal, and it needed a good cleaning to get the gunk off. I have some isopropanol, and by applying that to a paper towel or cloth, you're able to remove the residue quite good without damaging the pedal itself. Make sure that you have a well ventilated area and be careful when handling the isopropanol. It is both flammable and toxic. It evaporates quite fast though, so you should be good. And of course, make sure that you dispose of the paper or towels you use accordingly. It takes some good rubbing to get the residue off the pedal, so be sure to stack up on both the towels and or the paper. As you can see, it evaporates quite fast. Make sure to switch out the paper. It usually gets quite soggy and isn't as good to scrub off the residue with, so make sure to have plenty of paper around. With the residue gone, it's looking much sharper. Here's the before picture. And here's the after. Thanks for watching, everyone.